streetlights burn through the midnight haze. I've been counting scars instead of days. Every broken promise left a mark. Still I found a fire inside the dark. You can chain my hands but not my soul. Every fall just makes me harder than before. I'm rising from the ashes in the rain. Every wound becomes a battle I can claim. You can scream my name, you can curse my flame, but I'll never be the same. I'm standing where the lightning meets the sky, with a heart that learned 1,000 ways to fly. I won't fade away. I'll live another day. Every road was paved with shattered dreams. Nothing's ever quite the way it seems, but the thunder only fuels the fire. Every setback takes me even higher. Turn it up, let the speakers shake the ground. This is our rebellion, loud and proud.